Hey friends, what's up? What's up? So I'm gonna do an intro for today's vlog because I haven't done any intro in today's vlog. So it is already night actually, guys, but I just wanted to do an intro because I guess I did not do anything because nung paglabas ko kanina andyan ang aking client, so I did not have the chance to film or to say something on the camera before anything else. So welcome in today's vlog. Welcome to today's vlog. So I will be doing my client's vlog today. So I'm gonna show you a little, but not really a tutorial on how I'll do hair. Just, you know, bits and bits and pieces of, you know, doing haircut, hair color, hair bonding, and whatnot. So yeah, stay tuned if you wanna. So yeah, stay tuned for more. So this is our starting point. This is how her hair looks like. It's pretty wavy, and it's a virgin hair, by the way. She hadn't done anything on her hair, rebond or whatnot, but as you can see at the ends there are a few pieces that have been colored, but other than that there's nothing. It's virgin. So that is our starting point. Then I already finished applying the first cream on her hair. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, so I just applied it all over since her hair is virgin. And then on this part I already rinsed her hair thoroughly with just water, and then I just blow dried it up to 100% dry. So make sure that you blow dry the hair before ironing into 100% dry so that you will not create damage to the hair. So after I completely dried her hair into 100%, then I proceed to flat ironing her hair. So sectioning would be paper thin as always, guys. If you want to have a better or a great result in your hair rebonding, the first ironing part should be paper thin. So you better give 101 or 200% effort during your hair ironing when it comes to doing hair rebonding, so that you will have a much greater result at the end. So after I completely ironed or flat ironed her hair, I then went ahead, applied the neutralizer and the hair color all together so that it would save me some time. So I just made sure that I fully saturated the hair. That's the key, guys. Make sure that you fully saturate the hair. And then I went rinsing out all the neutralizer and the hair color, making sure that I am not leaving any traces of the neutralizer and the hair color. Yeah, because I will be doing a treatment on her later on. So right now I'm asking her if that it would be the length that she wanted, and also I am just doing a rough base haircut on her first because I wanted to do a dry hair cutting later. So this is just, you know, cutting all the extra length of their hair and then doing the framing first of the hairstyle that she wanted. So later on it will be easy for me to do a dry haircut on her hair, and I'm gonna finish it up. So I think that's it. We're doing that and this. So now it's time to apply the keratin treatment in her hair so that her hair will not get damaged really from the hair bonding, because to be honest with you guys, hair bonding treatment is really very damaging to the hair if not done correctly. So to ensure that the hair will will get back to its health, make sure that you do a keratin treatment right afterwards. If not, maybe after a week. So we are doing it right now. I'm just completely saturating her hair with the keratin treatment. So this is how it looks like. I remove the excess keratin treatment because you need to remove that one. So right now I am just, after processing it for or leaving it for 4 to 5 minutes, I then went ahead, did not rinse the keratin treatment at all. I just go right to hair drying or blow drying her hair. So this is our final result. This is the end of it all. So what do you think? This is her haircut too. So hair is looking pretty nice and great, and yeah, I'm really happy with the result that we have right now. So if you wanted to see some after wash pictures, I guess I will be posting that on my Facebook page, because no, I cannot post it all together in this video. So hey friends, excuse the rough face. So I just finished, oh my god, oh my god, this is like so all over the place. So I just finished doing hair today. I did a haircut, hair rebonding, and Brazilian blowout, and also I did a haircut on 3 people. Yeah, so hence the roughness of the face. So it is like 6 o'clock, I guess, in the afternoon or in the evening, and yeah, so I'm just going to vacuum. Oh my god, it looks so haggard. I should have powder my face before facing the camera back. Who cares? Nobody cares, it's just YouTube. Free to judge. So yeah, I'm just going to vacuum, guys. May work si Rookie, so ang kate ng aking ulo. I'm just waiting for him. He is on his way home. Ang daming buhok sa aking face, and yeah, it's on film. So I'm just going to quickly vacuum everything para wala na yung hair. So this was a very, very productive day for me. I really love doing hair, you guys. Yeah, I really love doing hair. It makes me alive. So I'm just quickly vacuum, and I don't know if I will see you later. Yeah, let's see. Okay. I'm just gonna quickly eat my dinner. So my dinner is going to be this one. This is a carbonara. I did not make this, obviously, but yung lang frozen foods dito, and then I just added some cheese on top. So yeah, oh, out of frame, sorry for that, but yeah, I'm just gonna mix my cheese on top of it, and I'm excited to eat because I haven't eaten like food kanina. I just had bread and coffee, so I'm going to drink coffee as well, and I think I'm gonna eat an avocado because we have a lot of avocado. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat dinner. And look at Rookie's dinner, it's so bongga, and it's so big, bro. Look at it. There's my hand, and that's his dinner. That's oatmeal and like 70% cocoa, and with avocado and banana. Grabe siya, oh, grabe, bonggang laki. Go. Okay ka lang, Rookie. Look at my hand, and it's the size of the bowl. So, I'm just gonna quickly eat my dinner. Although I'm not that hungry. Yeah, I can still survive, pero I'm just excited for this carbonara, and I bought pizza yesterday. But I'm gonna eat this first because I wanted to eat carbonara. Oh, so hot. So good. Oh, by the way, for those who's gonna ask, what brand this is, from the brand Mamma Mia. Yeah. Mama. Yeah. Look at my food. Look at his food though. You want to show your food?
No.
Oh, look at his food. You're so weird. Mm. My head's cut. I'm just gonna finish eating and I will see you later, I guess. Hey guys, so hi Rookie. What time is it?
The time is almost around. Brought to you by Pocket Bub, the #1 toothpaste in the Philippines.
So behind us is like the hospital. We're at the hospital at 2. We came here
2 a.m.
1 a.m. because
2
2 a.m. 1 man ta nag-ari. And then now it's currently 2 a.m.
2:09.
Yeah. So there's the hospital behind me. Oh my god. Sorry. I'm just gonna I don't know if you can see me. I'm not gonna go inside because you cannot see me. It's dark. But oh my gosh, this is so TMI, but my can we turn on the light? I had a very bad stomach ache, you guys. I'm just gonna tell you this so that you will be warned. I don't know if this goes to everybody, but I ate a lot around like late to this evening. No? I had carbonara like around 6 p.m. and then after that I ate a lot of chocolate and soda, Pepsi to be exact.
Yeah, Pepsi.
And he's mad about it. And then yeah, this happened. My stomach ached so much, and then I had a panic attack, and then I cannot breathe. Cannot breathe, and we need to rush here to the hospital. And then we called ambulance, but I don't want to get in the ambulance. That is so weird, you know. But we're heading home now. Hopefully mawala na yung sakit, but masakit pa rin. But dito naman kasi ano lang eh, para wala naman silang gagawin sa'yo. Yeah, and it's so hard because it's in Nahongo and we are having hard time, you know, talking. Rookie is having hard time talking to the lady on the telephone while we were calling emergency. So we just decided to come to the hospital, but because of corona, bawal punta ng hospital without saying or without giving notice to them. Yeah, bawal. So the emergency said if we needed an ambulance, but no, I don't want to be in the ambulance, so we just came here. Then it's still painful, but the doctor said that wala lang, there's nothing can do about it, so we need to go. And if the pain persists like how many days?
2 to
2 to
3 days.
3 days, then I need to do some checkups on in my stomach. But I guess this is just overeating. He told me that it's also like maybe overeating, combination of what I eat. So I don't know, if you have sensitive tummy, guys, better not to eat too much chocolate, because I had too much chocolate
Chocolate with
and cola this
food.
evening, and then I also eat a junk food like yung kani. So better not do that so that you will not be like me. Wag nyo kong tolaran, okay? Ayan, so we are on our way. It's 2:11 in the morning, and yeah, hopefully this will subside now. So I'm just gonna take a rest, and hopefully mapop ko na yung toxin sa kang body. Oh my god, this is such a galit na si Roque.
Turn it off.
So yeah, yun lang. So yeah, friends, so I think I'm gonna call it a night now. It is like already 7 p.m. and yeah, I just wanted to like chill. Oh my god, this is such nahirapan yung aking kamay. Yeah, I just finished eating, not just already finished, or I'm already done eating my dinner, and then I need to do some laundry. So I think I'm gonna just chill and, you know, wait for my laundry. I already hang some clothes already, so meron pang second batch. So I'm just gonna wait for that and yeah, just chill because I'm pretty tired already. And yeah, I hope you had a wonderful day and great day as always. And thank you so much for watching in today's vlog. I hopefully that I entertained you all. Entertaining ba? Hindi ko alam. Sana na-entertain kayo, guys. So yeah, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I will see you on the next video. Bye!